Welcome to Popalong RC. I'm at Herts and I'm taking part in the Carl Jackson kind of a memorial race for a guy who used to do a lot around these parts. Never got to meet the fella, but I understand top guy, good racer in general, nice sort of bloke really. So today is a Reedy race format. If you don't know, Reedy race is basically, well, you're racing. There's no qualifying as such. Every race is a race. I've done one before and it was a lot of fun, and there was a fair bit of carnage in it, but I'm gonna have a good laugh today. It's not due to rain. We've got a little bit of blue sky. Hopefully the sun will shine, you never know. Anyway, let's go and have a look at some cars. Right, so just our driver's briefing. There's going to be 6 rounds. There's going to be loads and loads of racing, and I think the good part about that is that, and Harrison was just saying there, the guy who sort of runs the track, he was just saying that it's a really good opportunity to practice racing, because normally you get 2, maybe 3 heats of qualifying and then 1 final, especially on a club night. So, and it's a much different experience racing. You've got the nerves, you've got like the first corner to contend with. So I think it's going to be a really good thing for me, especially just to have a go and just dial in some racecraft for those finals. So yeah, Reedy race, 6 rounds, 6 minutes. Everyone's thrown in together. Beginners, I don't know, people who are good, and then me. So if you haven't seen our videos already, this is the Herts RC track, the electric track. Let me zoom out a bit for you. And they've changed the track for this event, and it is, I've been around a few times and it's been really good, and I've been quite enjoying practice. Now if you do come here and become a member, the race fees are very, very cheap. Oh, a bit of carnage on the track there. Oh, I was trying to nudge him over. And people are super friendly. There's a shop on site, and it's just a really, really, really good facility. But like I say, today is race day and we are taking part in this awesome event. I'll show you what I'm running. So today is quite, I'll say, a maiden voyage. It's not really a maiden voyage, but I've done loads of work on this car. This is the Schumacher LD3 that Carl kindly gave me. What a legend. And I've been getting this round and I've done loads to it. I've been asking some of the locals what they've done. I've made some changes. The diff is now in at a lower height. I have arranged the shocks slightly differently. What else have I done? I've put new oil in the shocks. I've softened everything up, and it is an absolute pleasure to get round. I've tried different tyres, but I seem to do better on these Cactus and Sprinter combination. I have previously used the Fast Fox here, which goes round pretty well. I think I need to soften it up a bit, so doubtful I'll be using this today. So I'm going to just keep on with this and just see how good I can get it, really. Right, I'm going to show you a lap around this track with Abe Lyons. He's good young racer, this lad. Car looks super dialed. Nice. That's a tight line. I think that's it. You just got to get tight to absolutely everything. It's almost a straight line through there. Absolutely nail it down there. As it goes a bit farther, you can really nail it down there as well. Pop a wheelie. And that is how you do it. That is how you get around this track quickly. But there's a couple of things to be wary of, which is this sand here. If you go in that, you're going to spin out, so you've got to go tight to this section here. but I really like the track. They've recently changed it, as I said earlier, for this event, so yeah, should be a good day. So I just thought I'd take a break from the electric track and have a little look at the old Nitro track here. We're going to be doing some racing on this track very, very shortly, because we've got ourselves a couple of e-buggies. You might have seen them, but do you know what? There's something about standing here and yeah, you can smell the nitro fuel. There's no cars here, but you can smell it. It I don't know. It's just got a really cool vibe to it. This track. The jumps are massive. This doesn't really do it much justice, me videoing it here, but we came along and we did the Euro 40s. We covered that. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. And it was a great day. I believe I sat somewhere up there having a few beers while Carl was, you know, videoing everything. But yeah, it's a really cool track, and we definitely need to utilise this year with some of our e-buggy stuff. But yeah, it's a great facility, this. Right, I'm coming around with the camera because you want to talk about your new car.
Yes.
The R1 Wurks
R1B.
R1B. So this is its first outing.
It is, yeah.
How are you finding it?
Actually superb, yeah. It's a really good buggy. First run just now and it did nothing unpredictable. Had loads of grip, plenty of drive, flew well. Yeah, can't complain about it at all. It was nice and quick.
And
easily as quick as something else.
And that's good, isn't it? Because it's,
Yeah.
as I say, it's your first outing out. Normally, when you get a buggy, it takes a few weeks, maybe longer to dial the thing in. So, where are you sitting at the minute after round one?
I haven't actually looked.
Have a little look. I think, was I in your race possibly? I actually really enjoyed that. It's nice to be in a race straight out of the blocks, which is a rare thing.
Currently tied 7th, we're along with you.
Look at
and
that.
Matt's new.
Look at that. So there you go. Well, we should have some good battles today.
Should do indeed. No, I'm really pleased with it. Honestly, the build was fantastic. Everything about the car is superb.
And it's literally just dropped in the UK, and it's so lots of people are getting their hands on them.
Friday night I picked it up.
Friday night, and look at that,
Friday
all
night.
done.
Yeah.
So hopefully we might be able to get one. I don't know. We'll see how we get on. But yeah, good luck.
Thanks very much.
Right, I'm going to video an entire race now for your viewing pleasure. And we'll follow the front runners, but we'll look at some close battles on track. And what you're looking for is to come, well, first, second or third. It's all about points, to be honest. It's all about points. There they are. That R1 car, no it's not, sorry. Right, okay. Ooh. Now, the important thing is to have a clean race. And these, remember, are races. Each and every one is a race. So you've got to push, but by the same token, you don't want to be making mistakes. You might, to be honest, in my experience, because I've been here most of the day, you probably want to let the faster guys go, because that happens. They put you under pressure. Right, that's Abe in front. Alright, now let's follow him. Let's follow these two. Sometimes if there's a faster car in front of you, the best thing to do is to just hang on to the back of it, to be honest, if you can. Right, who we got here? I think we got Brooke here. Oh, this should be good. This should be a good battle. This one here. The pink car and the one in front. Let's see how this happens. So she's obviously got to get through, and you want to make sure you get through clean, otherwise accidents happen and you ain't going anywhere if you're on your roof. Now Brooke, as we know, she's a great driver. Certainly want to watch out for in the future. Nice lines from Brooke there. Right, how's this going to work out? Okay, so you got car in front's going to defend, and rightly so, because it is a race. This is not qualifying. Oh, there is. Oh, she went for it. She's waited. Absolutely fair enough. Binned it. So, Brooks got through, and you got this Glenn's car here. Where's he going? Which is the R1 Wurks new car and all that. So let's see if he can catch her up. Let's see what happens. Let's watch her. So Brooks a regular here at the Herts track, hence the reason she is very, very good. Okay, I might have to get some tips off her, to be honest. Not that it would make me any better. Bit squirrely down there. Sometimes if you pull the power on, the back end will skit on you. It will do weird things, so you just got to be gentle, really gentle. She's pulling away. She's absolutely pulling away. Right, let's watch the next battle on track, which is between these two. Okay, we've got Glenn there. Car's going well. A little talk to him earlier. Oh, yeah, it's not, I don't know. All it takes is for one of these guys at the front of other. He's on his roof. Right, back to Brooke then. She's in a race all of her own. Now, if she plays it careful, she could well get a second on this. She's not going to touch. She's not going to catch the front runner. She's pushing. She's making mistakes, but it's to be expected when you push. Glenn's catching her up again. Let's see. Now, all it takes is. All it takes is for one mistake from her, and
2 minutes left.
He's binned it again. You see, people ask. The trouble is, when you go to a meeting like this, I got up at 6. So now it's about, I don't know, 2:30, 3 o'clock. I haven't even looked at my watch. I'm having too much fun. And by that time, you're getting tired. Yeah, getting tired. You're starting to make mistakes. Right, if nothing else interesting happens, I'm going to end it here. Because this is they're just going through the motions. Anyway, I am having an absolute ball here. It is fantastic. We've got 8 rounds today, all 6 minutes for £5. What a great day. So the last race is going on behind me there. It's been a thoroughly enjoyable day. Really good format, the Reedy race format. We've had 8 rounds of 6-minute races, so we've had plenty of time on track. I think I'm probably better now than I was before I come. I should be. I had loads of time on track. Anyway, I don't know where I came. Middle of the pack, normally do. The car has been brilliant. The Schumacher has not really missed a beat. I'm a bit tired now, got up at 6, so it is time for me to go home. But if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. We'll see you on another one.